Sir, I am Jobin. I study in 7th standard from Concordia UPS Perurkada. My question: at present, what are the major strengths and weakness of our
Your
India?
mic, can you keep the mic like this? Like this. Keep distance. Slowly speak. Speak now. You are a good fellow. Yes.
Sir, I am poor English. Study in Malayalam medium.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയും.
At present, what are the major strengths and weakness of our India?
What are the
Major strengths
major strength? What are the major strength of India?
and weakness of our India.
And weakness. Fantastic boy. What class you are studying?
7th standard.
7th standard. Okay. Strength of India. What the major strength of India? You guys. That is 600 million youth. Major strength of India, 600 million youth. Okay. What is the weakness of India? Weakness of India. What is the weakness of India? Weakness of India. Without vision, a nation dies without vision. You must have a vision. Okay. Great vision.
Thank you, sir.
Great vision.
എല്ലാ വർഷവും ഒക്ടോബർ 15 ലോക വിദ്യാർത്ഥി ദിനമായി ആചരിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്ത്യയുടെ മുൻ രാഷ്ട്രപതിയും ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞനുമായ APJ അബ്ദുൽ കലാമിന്റെ ജന്മദിനമാണ് ഒക്ടോബർ 15. 2010 മുതലാണ് ഐക്യരാഷ്ട്രസഭ ഒക്ടോബർ 15 ലോക വിദ്യാർത്ഥി ദിനമായി ആചരിച്ചു തുടങ്ങിയത്.
Golden Jubilee year of the European Union. I am reminded of the dream of an Indian poet, Kaniyan Pungundranar, who articulated in 3000 years back in Tamil classic Purananuru. He says, Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir, which means, I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin. He said 3000 years back. As we say in India, where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. When there is order in the nation.
Your best teacher is your last mistake. What a remarkable quote. It is said by none other than our own missile man, Dr. Awul Paki Jain-Labdin Abdul Kalam. In short, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It is indeed rare for world to witness a leader that is intelligent, wise, selfless and loved by all. His birthday is on 15th October and this day is celebrated as World Students' Day. Let me now give you some insight on his early days. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born to a Tamil Muslim family in Tamil Nadu in the year 1931. His father was a boat owner and his mother was a housewife. He had 5 siblings and was youngest of all. Since the beginning of his days, he was hardworking and diligent person. He also saw a lot of hardships on his way to success. There was a time when his sister sold her jewelry to pay his college fee. After graduation, he joined the Defense Department to serve the nation. The association of Kalam took place with the Defense Research and Development Service, DRDS. Further, he joined Aeronautical Development establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization as scientist. He was the project director at ISRO of India's first ever SLV-3. This satellite was responsible for the deployment of Rohini satellite in 1980. His work and dedication gained him the esteemed title of the Missile Man of India. He spent the next 4 decades as a scientist and science administrator. But his favorite job was teaching, and that is how he wanted the world to remember him.
Where are you? Repeat your question.
The best brains of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last bench student?
Because I was the last bench.
Even I too, sir.
Sometime on the last bench. Most of the time on the first bench. But I felt the last bench and everybody has got some knowledge. Every human being has got some knowledge. A great teacher A good teacher, his way of teaching, his way of interacting with the student, he doesn't care whether you are the first row or the last row. For him, everybody a student. For her, everybody a student. Okay?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th President of India. A lot of hard work, he reached highest position in India. He also known as Missile Man of India. Country honored him with Bharat Ratna. His birthday celebrated as International Students' Day. I am very happy to share this to you that last year I went to Rameshwaram. There I visited Abdul Kalam's school, his house and memorial. It was a wonderful experience for me.
Now, questions. 5 questions. 5. Who is going to ask 5 questions? 5 fellows come. Yes? Get up. Come. What is the question? Start.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Which class you are studying?
I'm studying in 10th standard. My name is Gayatri Mohan.
10th standard.
Yes, sir.
Next year, what subject you will take?
I wish to take Biomax.
Why bio?
I'm interested in biology and
Biology, or you want to become a doctor?
my ambition is to become, I want to study more on aerospace engineering.
You are become a life scientist, right?
Yes.
Very good girl. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
പ്രശസ്തനായ മിസൈൽ സാങ്കേതിക വിദ്യാ വിദഗ്ധനും എഞ്ചിനീയറുമായിരുന്നു ഇദ്ദേഹം. ബഹിരാകാശ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് പഠനത്തിന് ശേഷം പ്രതിരോധ ഗവേഷണ വികസന കേന്ദ്രം, ബഹിരാകാശ ഗവേഷണ കേന്ദ്രം തുടങ്ങിയ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിൽ ഉന്നത സ്ഥാനങ്ങൾ വഹിച്ചിരുന്നു. 30ഓളം സർവകലാശാലകളിൽ നിന്നും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഓണററി ഡോക്ടറേറ്റ് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാത്രമല്ല, ഭാരത സർക്കാർ രാജ്യത്തെ പരമോന്നത സിവിലിയൻ ബഹുമതികൾ നൽകിയും ഡോക്ടർ APJ അബ്ദുൽ കലാമിനെ ആദരിച്ചിരുന്നു. 1981 പത്മവിഭൂഷൺ, 1990 പത്മഭൂഷൺ, 1997 ഭാരതരത്നം എന്നീ ബഹുമതികളാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്.
Sir, I would like to hear from you a few tips for the upcoming generation to succeed in life.
Well, succeeding life, I have already told you.
Yes, sir.
You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
Great aim.
great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, that's the mantra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. These are the words of a renowned eminent personality, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who not only became successful by striving through a lot of hardships but also gave us his experiences in life as a great lesson to succeed in our lives as well. Today, October 15th, 2020 is celebrated as World Students' Day that marks the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's remember his words and succeed in our life.
My question is that,
Eh.
sir, can you say a few words to the new generation who are ignorant of the human values like love, compassion and gratitude?
Can you say a few words on love, compassion and gratitude, okay? Now, love emanates from parents, that cannot be valued. No value. It may be millions of rupees also you cannot buy. It comes from parent, father, mother, okay? That's why today you took a oath. What is the oath you took? I will make my mother happy. You are taken. So that's why your gratitude, because of the love.
I, Awul Pakir Jainulabuddin Abdul Kalam,
do swear in the name of God
do swearing in the name of God
that I will faithfully execute the office of the President of India
that I will faithfully execute the office of the President of India
and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and that I will devote myself to the service of the and well-being of the people of India.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of India.